Hello everyone, this is Valiant Customs. I'm Steve. Thanks for clicking on my channel. This video, I just want to update where I am on my cab corners and my rockers for my 88 Chevy OBS, the 1500. I'm from the last video. I was very disappointed in it. I mean, the bodywork was amazing and everything, but the paint that I put on it was scary. I mean, it wasn't anywhere. It wasn't even in the ballpark. So anyways, without further ado, let me turn you around and I'll show you what I got going on. So it's, oh, wrong truck. My bad. Let me turn you on this truck. So there's my cab corner. Very happy with the way it turned out. It's, the color is, it's dead on if it was right out of the factory. I didn't take it in and have the color matched to anything to account for the fading of the sun and everything, but even without, it's a pretty good match, I'd say. It's a little bit darker or brighter, I should say, but it's not horrible. I can definitely live with that. I think it looks great. I ended up, let's see what here's the rockers. See if I can put some light on the situation here. Does that help any? There's a line right there where I had tape. I wish I wouldn't have put the tape on there now, but oh well, it's okay. But it looks just like original. Super happy with it. I think, like I said, the color match is really good. The welds turned out really good. The seam sealer on this side turned out really good. On the passenger side, well, let me turn you around real quick here. So this whole week, like I'm just updating you right now on the last video from last week on what I've done and everything. And since the paint was so bad and everything, I had to redo the paint, and the video had to go out then, so I couldn't show you guys then. So this is the update for that side. But on the driver's side, I've been working on that all week, and I thought it was going to be a little easier, I guess, but it was not. The passenger side, I used pretty much a whole can of that spray paint on that side over there. And then today I went and bought a can of clear, because the paint already had clear in it, but it just wasn't shiny enough for me. So I went and bought a can of clear and sprayed that on there, and that's how I got that effect and everything. And I had just enough where I could kind of do a light dusting on the driver's side. I'm going to turn you around and show you what I got on that one. So here's the driver's side. Like I said, I've been working on this one all week, trying to get this all done. I was hoping that it was only going to be like a day, maybe two after uploading last week's video, but it didn't. It took the whole week. This thing just fought me. The seam sealer in it, I think it's okay, but it doesn't look that great. I mean, it's kind of, I don't know, a little broke up or whatever up here, but it's not bad. On this one here, the cab corner itself, I had to split down here so I could get the body line right. And it was a pretty good gap. I probably should have shown you, but it was a wide enough gap where I put a coat hanger in it and welded the coat hanger in here to get what I needed. And then the rocker itself, when I did the rocker, I didn't want to have to take the door off and the fender off to replace all this stuff when all this stuff here was good. It was just bad up to like right in here to this section. So I went ahead, and that's how I just put the new one in there like that. And the way I did it was on the other side, I cut it right here along the top, and I cut it back far enough where when I weld it in, any imperfections are going to be underneath the door seal. And then, you know, any imperfections right in here, it'll be all right. I mean, it's not showing or anything. Underneath looks good. But I had this radius wasn't sharp enough, so it wasn't meeting up. And I ended up taking about right here. Yeah, I think it was right here, and just diced it all the way down to there. And then I was able to kind of squish it down a little bit to get that radius to match up, because, well, I shouldn't say the radius didn't match up. It was the fact that this was just a little bit too wide where it was lifting the radius up. So I just diced it there and brought it down. That's aftermarket parts. I mean, you gotta slice and dice. But see how that seam sealer, I mean, it doesn't quite look like factory, but it'll be all right. I mean, it's not horrible. I got another can of blue coming for it, because as you can tell, that's only one coat and it's not matching up real good. But I'll give it a little scuff and then finish painting it when I get the new can of paint here. And then I'll put clear coat on this too, and then this will be done. I'm not going to update on the next video. I'm not going to update on this. It's going to look just like that one over there. It's going to look good. It's going to look stock and everything. We're good. I did get well, yesterday it was like 60 degrees or something like that, so I kind of got spring fever or something like that, and I got the lowrider home from my parents' house. Brought that home, and when you know, today it's 30 something degrees and snow, or not really snowing, but kind of dusting a little bit here and there. So yeah, that's the journey of the cab corner. How to do cabs and rockers without taking the doors and the fenders off. Well, it probably wasn't. I mean, I know it's not the normal length for a video or anything like that, but like I said, I was working on the other side all week. It was the same thing, so I didn't record anything. But there's the cab corner. Super happy with it. I thank each and every one of you guys for following and subscribing and commenting and liking and everything. And I thank you very much. God bless you, and I will catch you on the next one.